So was I wrong about Rivian stock? I mean, if you look at the chart right now, my expectation for Rivian was for the market to go lower, and currently it is going against my idea. Am I wrong? I think you guys can see in pre-market where Rivian currently is trading. It's right there around $21.55. Maybe I'm not wrong, because on my last video that I talked about in Rivian, which was on the 26th of September, we identified these areas of resistance. First was this downtrend line. And you guys can see over the last couple of days in Rivian that the market did get rejected a couple of days, namely right there around $24.25. Even on October the 2nd, same thing. The volume has increased. The market here in Rivian on the 2nd of October even closed lower than the previous day's close. And it even bled into the next trading day, October the 3rd, right? But then you may have gotten tricked. Look at what happened yesterday into the market in Rivian. You got that indicator of strength triggered. Okay, this is why it's so important to pay attention to what's going on to the market, because it's telling the story. If the market was so bullish yesterday that it ended up 9.25%, why would the market in Rivian right now be in pre-market trading at 21.55? Why would that be the case? Because it lets us know that this whole move from yesterday's trading action wasn't real. It was real, but it was only real to those who knew what was going on in the market. It was an opportunity to sell. That's what I'm trying to say. So rather than you continue to be bullish into the market in Rivian, that was an opportunity for you to come through and sell right there. So I want you all to understand that I'm not changing my price prediction. I just wanted to show you how you can see whether or not your prediction, your idea is still accurate, or if you just need to completely get rid of it and follow the right direction price is trying to go. By us seeing price in Rivian not breaking above this downtrend line and continue to hold the next trend, and by getting rejected and falling back down drastically in pre-market, we're currently still on course to see price in Rivian go down. Now, with that being said, I don't want you all to think that it's going to come all the way down to like $16 right now, $17. Not yet, because there's definitely buyers in the market in Rivian. Okay. So we may see it go a little bit lower, catch more buyers, maybe around this particular price level, and then shoot back up in price and try to hit that downtrend line a second time or a third time. So I'm paying attention to this area to see how low the market goes initially in Rivian. I would say either our break-even point to see an influx of buying, which is around $21.15, or this second level around $20.50. Either of those two will be the first two areas that I'm looking for those buyers. Okay. So let's see what happens currently on pre-market for Rivian and how it trades throughout the rest of the day. Because if it actually comes through and shows us that the strength turns into weakness, like if the market ends down here in Rivian, that is definitely a lot of weakness on the chart. And we're not going to change our price prediction. So I may come back like tomorrow, maybe the day after, and actually show you what I think the price is about to do in Rivian. Look at this 3-day price bar. Look at that last printed one. There's definitely weakness there. Okay, so let's just see. Let's pause for a moment and let's just see what happens today. And I might come back tomorrow to see exactly how we're going to see the market act and go. All right, so that's it. Done. Let's talk about this later. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different. Just let you know, I'm not changing my price prediction though.